jalapeno plant has been knocked over. The wind got it. Oh wow, I have never looked better. Wow. I need to shower. Oh, this is disgusting. Health is wealth, baby. Let's get this day started. I'm gonna hop in the shower and then time for a nice and delicious breakfast. I am hungry. I am ready for it. Let's go. Okay, I'm fresh out the shower. I'm gonna make some breakfast. I think I'm just gonna go for oatmeal again. I mean, you guys know I love oatmeal. That's like literally my life. But every day I'll try to, have some variety. I'll change the fruits, I'll change the toppings. But lately, I don't know if it's just like the spirit of fall, but I've been doing apple cinnamon oats every single day. And we're gonna do it again today. That was a lie. I completely just lied. I have no more apples. That's really tragic. Okay, we're gonna improvise. I think I have frozen berries, so we'll do like berry oatmeal. There we go. The universe is giving me variety. Oh, and when I woke up before my workout, I had a cup of black coffee. Nothing special, just figured I'd report. Y'all know the drill by now. Some instant steel cut oats. That's going in the microwave. So this is for sure gonna look a little questionable in the sense that it's not as visually appealing when I do it this way, but the reality is I use frozen fruit a ton of the time if I don't have any fresh fruit on hand. So wild frozen blueberries, sliced strawberries, I'm gonna pop those in the microwave as well. We're changing it up. I've got almond butter instead of peanut butter. And then like normal, I'm gonna do some protein oats. I've got the vanilla vegan protein powder here. And I just like to go for a protein powder, especially after I work out. I also just like the flavor of it, so I've always been including it into my oats lately. Now I'm feeling a little zesty today. I'm gonna add in some ground flaxseed as well. Okay, now this is for sure gonna look like a hot mess, but I have the berries here, and I'm just gonna put these on top. Who am I kidding? That actually looks really good. So I'm gonna do a scoop of almond butter on top, and then some pumpkin seeds on top. Oh, this actually looks kind of cute. Okay, there we go. That looks actually so delicious. Okay, let's dive in. Oh, this is hot. So good. So today will be a pretty busy day actually. It's about 10:30 right now. I actually have 2 makeup looks to shoot this morning, which I'm gonna have to do that very quickly. And then I actually have a little bit of a treat this afternoon. I'm gonna go check out the Caudalie spa. They have a new location here in Toronto and they have protocols to do it safely. So I'm super excited to check it out and get a skin treatment. And I think I'm getting like a 60-minute facial. So I'm very excited about that. I've always been a huge lover of facials. I struggled with my skin basically like my whole teenage years, and my skin is in a much better place now, but I just always love a facial. I feel like it's so good for my skin, and I also just like the kind of relaxing experience. So that will be nice. I haven't had like a treatment in a really long time. And then later tonight after that, I actually have a virtual online event that I'm doing, and that should be fun. So it should be a pretty busy day, but feeling good, kind of excited for the day. And really this oatmeal is the absolute move. Okay, I'm just catching up with some emails. It is 11:30 now, and I'm on coffee number 2 of the day, except this one is a lot more exciting. I did soy milk and maple syrup, which is like my OG go-to. But I've been trying to be better and have black coffee, especially if I'm gonna be having more than 1 coffee a day, which to be fair, I normally don't. This is kind of rare, but I just kind of felt like one. Honestly, something about an iced coffee. And if you've never tried pure maple syrup, like 100% pure Canadian maple syrup in your iced coffee, I'm telling you, this is your sign. You should go try it. It's so good. Okay, it's like 3 hours later and I still have no makeup on my face, which means I didn't do what I needed to do, but I got something else done. I was sitting there editing and I ended up having to deal with a lot of things on emails. So kind of annoying that the day kind of got a little messed up, but that just means we're gonna do it later tonight, all good. I find whenever I, I'm kind of working hard, I'm in like an editing kind of flow zone, I get so hungry. Anyways, it is lunchtime though. It's like 2 o'clock. Oh, it's literally 2 o'clock on the dot. But I have my very favorite lunch, which is leftover salads. This is a salad from yesterday, and then I just kind of topped it up with some more quinoa, tofu cubes, tomatoes. I put everything but the bagel seasoning on top, and there's also just a bunch of other like grated carrot, lettuce, onion, cucumber. Did I already say that? Just lots of vegetables and like a nice homemade dressing. So it's a nice hearty bowl of a ton of quinoa in there too. It honestly smells so, so good, and I've just, oh no! The jalapeno plant has been knocked over! The wind got it. Whew, it is windy out there. Wow, that is hilarious. I discovered 2 massive peppers that were ready to get picked off. Look at that bell pepper. Should I add that into the salad? Oh my God, they smell so good. Okay, that's going in the fridge. Kind of a success, who would have known? Okay, let's eat some lunch. It literally just fell over again. It's just gonna stay there. Wow. Honestly, there's nothing better than a nice and hearty salad like this. So I did my tofu a little differently. It's actually not cooked. I basically just kind of like, you know, got out all the moisture and like let it, what's it called when you do like a little tofu press and kind of like get all the tofu water out of it? So just kind of like cut it up, and then I soaked it in vinegar and soy sauce and water and like made a little marinade, and then it let it soak overnight, and then it becomes super good and like, I don't know, just flavorful. Really nice to add into a salad, and like very much so like a no effort kind of thing. Okay, absolutely demolished that salad. It was so good. I've got a little bit of chocolate here. This is just my favorite, like chocolate with almonds inside. I'm gonna head up for my facial soon. I think I'm gonna walk there. It's probably gonna be a good like 50-minute walk, but I'm like, it's kind of a nice day. It's not raining anymore. Maybe I should go be a real human and get outside, because I've been in the house way too much lately. That's the chocolate. Okay, I'll see you guys after the facial and at dinner time. Wow, oh my goodness, that facial was so good. It was the craziest experience ever. It wasn't just a facial, like obviously they did extractions and did masks and cleansing and all that stuff, but then they also gave me like the most insane shoulder, arm, hand, foot, leg massage. Like it was like a full body experience. It was so, so good. And honestly, this morning when I was at my workout class, I was like, oh, my like calves are super sore and like my neck is sore. I just think from all the different like workouts I've been doing lately, my body's just like a bit like tired and sore. So it was the best, most reviving experience ever. And I feel like my skin looks pretty good. I mean, there's definitely some red areas where I had some extractions, but I feel like it was like well needed. So I'm feeling really good. Anyways, I ended up walking there too, which was super nice. And like walking back was super lovely. It was just like the perfect kind of cool fall air. So feeling 10 out of 10 right now. Anyways, I had a little bit of a change of plans tonight. I was planning on just making dinner at home and obviously filming it for you guys, but then my friends are actually gonna go to Soho tonight for dinner, so they invited me. So I'm actually gonna head out for dinner, which this kind of is unfortunate for the video. You're unfortunately not allowed your phones or like obviously to record anything in there. So maybe I could sneakily get like a little video, but it's kind of a no phones allowed situation. So I might just have to describe it to you when I get back. I have no idea honestly what I'm gonna eat or like what the vibe is gonna be, but I'm excited. I love their food there and they have so many amazing vegan options. Also though, something that I did want to note is I feel like I never talk about it in these videos, but that's my water consumption. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, you'll know that I'm absolutely obsessed with the Camelback Eddie water bottle. This is the liter size and I just like have this on me 24/7 and I drink probably at least 3 of these a day, but I try to go for like 4, 5 even, who knows. But you know, I love me some water. I'm a room temperature water kind of girl and yeah, figured it was worth noting. I never talk about it, but I'm always drinking water. Keeps that skin good too. You feel good. Water is just, it's the best. It really is. Anyways, I'm gonna head out now. I'll see you guys later. I'll report back. Hopefully the food is delicious. Bye. Okay, so we just got back from dinner. It was actually so good. They have the Impossible Burger now at Soho. So I had an Impossible Burger and sweet potato fries. It was honestly, hit the spot. So I ended up eating that. It was so good. We had 2 glasses of red wine as well, which was really nice. And yeah, it was like overall super great experience. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this What I Eat in a Day. I'm gonna go crawl into bed, get in my jammies, and call it a night. Thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure you hit subscribe, comment down below, like, thumbs up, do all the things, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!